Let's talk about the Visa Bulletin October 2024. Are you excited? Right after it published yesterday, I'm so excited because after 2 months of retrogression, it has a positive movement of November 15, 2022. So, it's a raining visas for all Philippine nurses who have their priority date prior to Visa Bulletin. For other nurses, are you still confused of your US dream? If you are still confused, have your eligibility. It's valid for 5 years and you have 5 years to think about if you want to pursue or if you want to turn it down. Study the NCLEX for 5 years. And if you are ready, that's the time for you to apply for your ATT. Because ATT is only valid for 6 months. And within that 6 months, you need to schedule for your NCLEX examination. In United States, regardless of your age, it doesn't matter. As long as you can function normally as a nurse and you are in the normal state of mind. For all Philippine nurses, see you all in United States. Good luck to all of us.